In this problem, you have to find the value of square root of 3 factorial bracket factorial plus 3 double factorial plus 3 single factorial. As we know that n factorial is equals to n multiply n minus 1 multiply n minus 2 multiply up to 1. Similarly, n double factorial is equals to n multiply n minus 2 multiply n minus 4 multiply up to 1. Therefore, 3 factorial equals to 3 multiply 2 equals to 6 and 3 double factorial equals to 3 multiply 1 equals to 3. And in this expression, bracket 3 factorial and factorial is equals to as 3 factorial equals to 6 bracket close factorial equals to this is 6 factorial equals to 6 multiply 5 4 3 2 1 equals to 2 3 6 4 24 120 and 720. So this expression simplifies to square root of this is 720 plus 3 double factorial is 3 plus 3 single factorial is 6, which is equals to square root of 729, and the square root of 729 is equals to 27. So for this expression 27 is our answer.